Hey, what's behind that curtain? Oh, that's disgusting.
How's she handle?
A lot like an F1 car.
Really?
Yeah,
it's really fun.
It's really fun. I got her up to 65.
Was it scary?
On the highway, yeah. Like, the whole time I was on the highway, you have to turn the wheel like a quarter of a turn back and forth just to stay in the lines.
We don't really have much storage, and we brought way too much stuff.
It's all gonna fit in here. If it doesn't,
it's all gonna fit. So,
this
is actually a lot bigger than the one we originally rented. The one we originally rented had sleeps 8, and the sleeps 8 was in 3 beds. I don't know where the other 2 people were fitting in. This one sleeps 9. We got 2 people up there, a couple of midgets down here, maybe Kevin on that. And it's not really, it's kind of dark back here, but
oh dude, that's awesome.
We got a bunk bed and the bottom bunk. Everybody knows what happens on the bottom bunk. And then a nice little bed back here for some people that really like each other.
We can spoon together. There's a coffee maker. We can totally land on the roof.
Hey.
Oh shit.
Oh, this baby's time-lapsing for sure. This is way too long.
How opposite that?
That's what she said. I wake up in the morning and I dream about one day driving a big rig such as this. Today's that day. Ooh, that must be a Hemi.
the RV's a little too shaky for the accelerometer to let us take off. So we're using this gimbal so we can arm. Take a couple tries here. Well, it's not gonna. There we go. Hey!
Sorry.
Oh god. Oh god, no.
Not doing anything. Alright, now you gotta land it back on the phone. Okay. I got that.
Holy god. Alright, I want to see it.
So I want to show you something, Kevin. So this thing is amazing. Alright. And you're gonna get one as soon as I show it to you.
Oh boy.
This is a portable hard drive with a battery in it.
Solid state?
It's not solid state. I wish it was.
Ooh. And you're powering it up in here?
Yep. It's actually fairly rugged. I've got an SD card adapter, and this has an SD card slot. And it's now going to automatically back up the entire card. On the fly, over battery. And then it's also broadcasting a Wi-Fi network, so as soon as it's done, I can go in and I can pull those off in full res as soon as I want.
And so all you have to do is put it in there,
yep,
and it just copies it?
Yeah, and it will start after a second. And then if I keep recording with that card, see, there it goes. If I keep recording with that card, I pull it in again, it's only gonna pull the new files. So I can keep going all day long. So like when I'm done filming this video today, chunk, dump the whole thing, I just format the card and keep going.
Oh my god.
How much do you think that is? 2 terabytes.
I don't care how much.
$180.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright.
Here, let me get you an Amazon affiliate link before you.
There was a time back in early 2017 when Team Falcon made the trek down to Sebring, Florida for the 2017 first annual Sebring Drone Expo. Wondering where we were going to practice in the early morning before the show, we were searching wide on Google Maps and we found the most epic, perfect spot that was within driving distance from our hotel.
Somebody to talk about where we're
things that stick vertically out of the ground. You're supposed to go around them. I went straight into it. Apparently you're supposed to go around them. I don't know. I wasn't sure, so I just ran full speed straight in.
That's all I got to say about that.
Let's go race quads.
Kind of.
What?
Let's go race some quads.
Yeah.
I want to go. And then so we don't have to move the RV, we can just take a shuttle over to where the drone racing course is and the expo, and that makes life pretty convenient.
Yeah, pretty good. I'll ride on the top.
So I'm completely flying like garbage. Yesterday practice went okay. I didn't do amazingly, but I was completing laps. I was feeling confident. It was great. Coming into today, you know, it's qualifying, and we only have to finish 3 laps, and the best of those 3 is what's counted as your qualifying time. And basically, the way it's looking right now is like you just have to finish laps. That's it. Battery number 1, I kind of have spotty video, and I only finished 2 laps, so I don't, or 2 official laps. I had to kind of like redo one. And then in the second battery, I'm out front, I'm feeling confident, I got some space to work with, and I just fly smack dab into the middle of a flag. Which, you know, that's just me being bad at flying. And then, this is when I go out to pick it up, I take off, like, and just hover it there, and by the time, before I even can land that from that hover, the quad, like, lights on fire. There's flames spewing out the sides of the quadcopter. And that one's done and gone. So now I have a full rebuild to look forward to tonight, and only one more shot at qualifying today. And I'm just kind of feeling beat, like it sucks. Luckily, you know, today's not the end of the day, not the end of the line. I've got more chances tomorrow, but man, it just sucks to, like, you know, just have things not go right, especially when they went so well during practice. So it's like, whatever. But I needed to come talk to the camera for a bit, kind of vent these feelings so that when I go out and fly next, I'm just confident, smooth, and hopefully we'll get a good qualifying run in. All right, just finished my last heat for qualifying. It didn't go great in the beginning of the day. The wind died down a little bit and I had a great run. Knocked out I went from 30-something place down to 8th place, and that felt great. It's giving me a lot of confidence moving in. I know how I did that.
Why?
Oh! That's a good break.
It's fine, it's fine.
You gotta, oh, you're okay, I see that. What's happening now? Okay. That sucks.
Did Corey break
Got a
it?
little dangler.
That's beautiful.
Oh my
Look at that.
gosh. Is that crash?
That's what you do when you go fast.
So the wind has been a constant problem for this event, no matter what. We're getting like 20-mile-an-hour gusts, which sucks to fly in, but it's also wrecking the gates. And every time we wreck the gate, we have to get the jig lift out, which is also, of course, obstacle. It's holding up the big ladder, the 4-height gate. And so they have to tear down part of the course, move the jig lift up the gate, fix the course, and then go back and restore the ladder gate. And you know, as a result, like every time anything goes wrong with the course because of wind, we're looking at like 45 minutes of just sitting and waiting for the course to be repaired, which is, it kind of sucks, but hopefully we'll get it fixed soon.
Lazar near quads, live on the tone in less than 5. Love that sound. It's prop wash all around and everyone through, guys. This is it. We're going for $19,000. We've already awarded 1,000 of it to the guys in 9th and 10th. But who's getting the 10,000? Who's getting the 4,000? Who's getting all that money? And we're going to PayPal to them, man. We're going to rip it up. Who's going to get the fastest lap on the track? It could happen right here. Remember, Matt Air had the TQ time in the final race when he won this. Heads up FPV and BMS Thomas, your young guns, 1 and 2. On to lap number 2 with 25s. Then Wow FPV and JT FPV 3rd and 4th, and Merck in the number 5 spot. Still looks like a couple more still to go here. There's Jared flying smooth, keeping it safe here on that opening lap. He's about the number 6 spot. We got Dane. He's down, but he is getting money. How much? I can't remember, but he is all right. Looking to... Oh no, big news. We're trying to catch up right here. Look into it right here. Remember, our rabbit's foot just got broke right there. And so, heads up FPV, he is out. Now this is the story of BMS Thomas. Guys, we're about ready to wave a checkered flag up the top of our soaring skies. Start finish line with Air Ops Incorporated. Get ready to it. BMS Thomas wins once again. Look out, America! Australia's planted the flag for the 3rd time in America. BMS Thomas is your 2018 Sebring Drone Race champion.